Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open a BMW 3 Series key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery, which is commonly used for these fobs. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit workspace to avoid misplacing any tiny components during the process. This simple preparation ensures a smooth battery replacement. The first step is to remove the emergency key. Look for a small button on the side of your key fob. Press this button down and then slide out the metal emergency key blade. This key is essential for manually unlocking your car if the fob battery dies. Once removed, you'll notice a small slot where the emergency key was housed, which is your entry point for opening the fob. Now it's time to open the fob. Take your small flathead screwdriver and insert it into the slot revealed after removing the emergency key. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to use excessive force. Once open, locate the old CR2032 battery. Remove it and insert the new battery, ensuring the positive side faces upwards for proper function. To reassemble, carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly until they snap back together. Next, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking, unlocking, and trunk release, to ensure everything works correctly. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. If you encounter any issues, double-check the battery orientation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.